Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file into Word document. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is show you the Word document that we are working with right now. So you have it here in a desktop, it's PDF sample. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And as you can see, this is what we're working with right now. Pretty simple file, so this is going to be easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and basically open a Word document, but this time it's going to be a new one. And yeah, I'm gonna open blank document. From here, we're gonna click File, Open, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the document. So I'm gonna hit the browse right here. So after clicking browse, you have the PDF sample right here, and then click Open. So there is going to be a note right here, but basically what it's saying is that some files may be different or changes depending on how complicated your PDF file is. For example, in my case, I have already done this one, and as you can see, they are okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So basically, that's how you are going to convert PDF file into Word document.